Marriage doesn't change a woman. It will remove the mask of the woman. You saw my true colors now in marriage before we get married. Women, we can hide our characters before we get married. Maybe we are dating for a long time. You don't know my true colors because sometimes, guys, you can took a decision to marry me, but you regret that why I married to this kind of a person, because I show you my true colors. I remove my mask. At that time we are dating, I was wearing a mask. I don't want you to see the way I am most of the time, the truly I am most of the time. So sometimes people don't say marriage can change a woman. No, a woman can't be changed with marriage. But what you saw that a person is, if you know that you are not married to that woman and you know yeah true colors, or you saw the red flags, sometimes it's better, guys, to change your mind most of the time, because you regret, guys, because we will show you more in marriages our true colors, guys. Women will show you, especially you regret as a man. Many men are regretting being married to those women because they have got 3 kids, 4 kids together. You understand? And they don't know how to do, especially when you are married to a woman at the first time. You are married to that person in community of property. You don't know that woman well, guys. Sometimes you regret other men, guys. They are regretting for being married to wrong woman, because you can date with that person for a long time and you don't know the kind of a person, because that person was wearing a mask. But marriage will remove the mask of the woman, guys. Marriage, because you saw a true colors, guys, that this is the kind of a person you are falling in love with. Women will show you, guys, will show you that yeah, this is my character, this is who I am now in marriage most of the time. So, guys, marriage, it will not change a woman, it will remove the mask of the woman. Sometimes you can be patient, that person can change most of the time, but there is no change in your marriage with that woman. She is not changing, especially when you know that your girlfriend have got a problem. Maybe, guys, you've got a character and you want to marry that person. When you are in a marriage, it will become very worse, very worse. So sometimes you will regret it. It's better to reject that person if you know that you have got red flags most of the time, because, guys, we will show you our true colors now we are staying together.